Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is April 22nd, 2019, your source of news before any trade decision. We're going to talk about Tesla and its Model S exploding in China today and trying to see if that is just a coincidence, or is it because they have earnings coming up this week on Wednesday and they're trying to induce some more selling into the market before they see an increase in price to the upside. We're going to talk about all of that today in this video. Definitely want to take the opportunity, first of all, to thank you all for coming to our channel here on YouTube. We appreciate you all viewing our content, because what we're here to do is to show you all, giving you all the news according to the charts without causing you any confusion, and giving you our price movement without any technical analysis. We don't place any indicators on our charts, and you're still able to tell precisely and accurately where the market is going to go. So we're going to talk about Tesla today regarding that. So now, the left side of the screen, you all can see here that there's a lot of news going out that the Tesla Model S was caught on fire on video surveillance in China. And obviously they're trying to show you all how this can hinder or hamper this particular stock from moving to the upside. Okay, you can see Tesla investigates video of part Model S exploding in Shanghai. CNBC, Tesla is investigating the apparent explosion of a parked car in Shanghai. Again, Autoblog, Tesla investigates video of parked Model X exploding in Shanghai. Again, CNN, Tesla investigates after car appears to explode in China 9 minutes ago. Another one, Mirror Online, Tesla investigates video of the Model S electric car exploding into flames. Everyone is grabbing this attention for Tesla in an attempt to cause some persuasion into dropping the price in this stock. Okay, you can tell right here on TradingView that Tesla is currently down almost 4% regarding this news, but it's not a surprise if you guys watch our other Tesla videos. We've been telling you all that the market is still weak for this stock. Our main focus is to pay attention to what the news is trying to cause regarding the reaction that the market is actually giving us. Okay, so I'm not going to waste too much of your time. Just going to go ahead and get into our analysis for Tesla. And as you can tell, the last time we did our video for Tesla was a while ago, but we did draw this descending trading channel in the market for Tesla, and it has been following that channel precisely. The market could not even break $280 to the upside, and it needed to do that in order for it to maintain its strength. Now, we do have earnings coming up on the 24th of April 2019, which is on Wednesday. The market, as you can tell, though, over the last couple of weeks has maintained that $260 price. It was plaguing Tesla back here in 2016 of April, to where it was acting as resistance. So now again, the market in Tesla is forming a double bottom, what many technical analysts like to coin the term, to where the market touches support twice, and it is doing that this go around, and it's possible that Tesla can bounce from that 260 and move to the upside. But again, tell that the overall trend in this particular stock is one of lower prices. And with the news coming out today with that Model S catching fire, definitely is not a positive thing to see. Okay, daily time frame for Tesla, you can still tell that the market overall is weak. We have to break above that $270 price. I would definitely like it to break above this descending resistance line that we got drawn on our chart in order for us to see higher prices. We may see that on earnings day on Wednesday, but currently the market is not giving us any strength to insinuate that it's going to be moving to the upside in price. The only thing that is keeping this stock alive is $260. That is it. If you see Tesla break $260 on the downside, especially on earnings day, the market can take another severe movement lower. And I want to show you all this too on a weekly time frame, that the overall trend in Tesla is still higher prices. Okay, so yes, the intermediate move is one of lower prices. even if we were to get some negativity in this stock on earnings day, as long as it doesn't break $240 to the downside, the upward trend is still in play. Okay, so remember that going forward in the market for Tesla. The 4-hour chart, you all can see here that the market is not giving us any strength. The weakness is still apparent. We couldn't even break $275 to the upside, to where on this 4-hour chart it was acting as support, and we couldn't even break through it here over the last couple of 4 hours, and now we're still seeing indications of weakness coming in this stock. So the market in Tesla is weak. Okay, I'm not going to deny that fact, but I want to preface that statement with, there is still a chance that $260, maybe even $250 can be maintained as support in this particular stock. Okay, the 1-hour chart for Tesla, you can tell again that 275, the market couldn't break above it. Major weakness is coming in for today, so we may actually come and hit support 260 once again before we hit this earnings day on Wednesday, and then we may actually see some strength come in on some positive earnings announcement that Elon Musk will come through and provide. But currently, again, this stock is not a buy. We're not seeing any indications of a reversal taking place. We're still seeing weakness being seen on the daily time frame. The weekly time frame, you can still tell that the market is giving us some weakness, and then on the monthly time frame, definitely you can tell that in the long-term movement in Tesla stock that the market is still giving us a lot of weakness. And at the conclusion of April, if we close towards the low of that monthly bar, then definitely this ascension line that we got drawn is going to be tested. $240 will be tested for support, especially if 260 closes, cannot be maintained as support. So this is relatively easy to see and understand. You all can see that Tesla is a very weak stock currently. There is a chance, a probability that 260, I would say maybe 15-20% chance that that $260 price can still hold this stock from falling lower. But the overall sentiment, the emotional feel of the market participants who play this stock is definitely not feeling euphoric for higher prices. Okay, so we're still looking for Tesla to continue to move to the downside. Unless we get some positivity come into the market today or even on Tuesday, then if that negativity on earnings day comes in a lot more negative than what more people anticipate, then definitely expect Tesla to test this major ascension line that we got drawn on our chart. Okay, so the overall market movement is still one of lower prices. I am expecting it to continue to move lower. $240, even our ascension line is where I'm expecting the market in Tesla to try to come and test for support. I'm not seeing the market holding at 260 as a support area. Okay, so it's relatively easy to see and understand that with language analysis, you're able to get a more precise and accurate depiction of what the market feels and what it is trying to tell you. And that's what we possess here at HueFin News. We don't pay attention to the articles. We don't pay attention to the news media, because the market participants, the one who come into the market every day and play in this field, have already placed their bets in these instruments. So as long as you're able to interpret what they're trying to do, you can profit along right with them without causing you any confusion. So again, thank you all for taking out the opportunity out to watch this video. We do have a website, HueFinancial.com, to where we place all our other new articles concerning the stock market, cryptocurrencies, Forex, even commodities. Okay, that's where we place our news according to the charts before anyone else tells you all. We place it on our website. It is a paid service, very minimal in cost though, for the amount of information that you all will be getting. And if you want to be ahead of these elite market participants, you definitely need to come on over to where we possess this language analysis, so you can have fun and profit along with these individuals. So again, if that is of interest to you all, go ahead and check out our website. The link is going to be in the description of this video. And as well, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video, because we definitely want to allow everyone else to see the content that we are producing and how easy it is to predict price movement. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.